Welcome to next class. Now we have to discuss exercise 2.2 page number 55. Look at first problem. Sum of 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So sum means what we have to do? Addition. So addition of rational numbers. Here denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. LCM of 3, 4. How much we will get? 3 4s are 12. So LCM 12. 3 table 12 4 times. So numerator multiply with 4 plus second one multiply with 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 by 12. 8 plus 9 17 by 12. So first one option D. First one option D. Do second one homework. Look at third one. Look at third one. Subtract minus 4 by 9 from minus 7 by 8. So from minus 7 by 8 we have to subtract minus 4 by 9. Means we are subtracting here two negative rational numbers. So here look at minus 7 by 8 minus into minus plus 4 by 9. So here LCM of 8 9. 8 9s are 72. Here if you take LCM 72, so first numerator multiply with 9 and the second numerator multiply with 8. So what you will get? 7 9s are 63 minus plus 32 by 72. 3 minus 2 1. 6 minus 3 3. So minus 31 by 72. Answer minus 31 by 72. Option B. Third one option B. Next fourth one, fifth one same. You can do homework. Sixth one also you can do homework multiplication. So homework problems 2, 4, 5, 6. Now look at seventh one. Look at seventh one. A is equal to 3 by 4. B is equal to 5 by 6. Then AB. AB means what we have to do here? A into B multiplication. AB means variables multiplication like this only, right? So 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. So product of numerators 3 into 5 by product of denominators 4 into 6. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 ones are 5 by 4 twos are 8. So 5 by 8 answer. Option A is correct. Next eighth one, look at which of the following are false. Every rational number is an integer. Every rational number has an additive inverse. Every rational number has a multiplicative inverse. The reciprocal of minus 1 is 1. So which of the following are false? So every rational number is an integer, false that one. Next the reciprocal of minus 1 is 1, it is also false. So 1 and 4. Every rational number has an additive inverse. No, 0 has no additive inverse. So 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. See, option C is correct. Option C, 8th one. Next, 9th one. Which of the following statement is true? Every point on the number line represents a rational number. The product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 0. The product of rational number and reciprocal is 0. Correct only. Next one, C, option C, false. 17 inverse 7 to the power of minus 1, 12 to the power of minus 1 we have to get. Reciprocal of 1 by a is a. Which of the following statement is true? The product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 0, not 1. So option D is correct. Ninth one, option D. See here, option B, the product of a rational number. For example, 2 by 3. What is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. So if you multiply these two, we get result 1. So option D is correct. 1 by a reciprocal is a. Next, 10th one. The reciprocal of 0 by 3. 0 by 3 reciprocal actually 3 by 0. But 3 by 0, any number by 0 not defined. Not defined. That's why 0 has no reciprocal in the set of rational numbers. So here does not exist. Option D. 10th one, option D. Next one. Name the property of addition used. Which property is that one? Additive identity. Option B. 3 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Here 0 and addition have no, so it is called additive identity. 11th one, option B. Additive identity. The additive identity in the set of rational numbers is, which is additive identity in the set of rational numbers? 0. So 12th one, A, option A, 0. Next 13th one, additive identity of 2010 by 2009. Additive identity means 0. So 13th one, option D, 0. The additive inverse of minus 23,794 by 1,27,300. Minus is there, we have to write plus. Option B. 14th one, option B. Multiplicative means we have to take reverse. Here additive they given, minus they given, we have to take positive. So option B is correct. 23,794 by 1,27,385. Next, 15th one. Look at 15th one. Additive inverse of minus 4 by 13 minus of minus 5 by 26. See here. Minus 4 by 13. Here minus into minus signs multiplication plus we will get. So what is LCM? 26. Why? Because 26 is multiple of 13. So 26 LCM. 13 2s are 4 into 2 plus 5 into 1. So what you will get here? Minus 8 plus 5 by 26. Minus 8 plus 5 how much? 8 minus 5 3. 8 has negative sign. So minus 3 by 26. Minus 3 by 26. Additive inverse they asked. Result is minus 3 by 26. So additive inverse of minus 3 by 26 is equal to 3 by 26 plus 3 by 26. So option B is correct now. 15th one, option B is correct. Option B. Next year, the multiplicative identity in rational numbers. Multiplicative identity, which is multiplicative identity? 1. So 16th one, which option is correct? Option A, 1. 17th one, the multiplicative identity of 14 by 19, 1 only. 14 by 19 into 1 we get 14 by 19. Same number we have to get. So 1. Answer what? 17th one also 1. Identity there. Next 18th one, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 1207 24 by 2569. Multiplicate inverse means we have to take a reciprocal. 2569 by, so which option is correct? Option C. Next, which of the following not have a multiplicative inverse? 0. 19th one, 0 has no multiplicative inverse. 0. 20. Multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. So today homework problems 2, 4, 5, 6 and 21. 2, 4, 5, 6 and 21 homework problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.